Say it again, Japanese koi.
Japanese koi.
Okay. Then we have this one. This is this black one. Can you see this black one?
Yes.
This one is called like iridescent shark. Say iridescent.
Iridescent.
Shark.
Shark.
Iridescent.
Iridescent.
Shark.
Shark.
Yes, that yes. And then the ones with stripes down there, the smaller ones, they are called clown loach.
Clown.
Clown loach. Yes. Yes. So here we have the iridescent shark. You remember that iridescent shark?
Yes.
These are the smaller ones. That's why it's black.
Listen.
And even the white, even this one with the mixed color, they are all goldfish. Do you know why they are called goldfish even though they don't have any color? Okay, so the name goldfish is not just because of their color. It's the general name for all goldfish. It's the general name for the species of this fish. But then they have different names now that matches their color. Do you understand? We even have a pure black goldfish. It's not because of their color alone that they are called goldfish. So this white one, the pure white, you see the pure white one, this one, it's called a white oranda. Say white oranda. White oranda.
There are two of them. There's the yellow, there's the white. They are called rami. And they don't grow bigger than this.
Black button, that's it. Because those big fishes, you know that fish don't go down. You understand, right? Yes, so we have black band, goldfish, and which one? Iridescent shark. This one.
Angelfish. What about the tiny one?
Blue-eyed tetra.
Yes, blue-eyed tetra.